Hello Year 3 and welcome to Friday's maths lesson, the last one of the week. I hope you're all well. Did you enjoy the games yesterday? I hope so. I really enjoyed playing some of the games in school. I hope you did at home as well. So I'm going to share with you two different games and then I'm going to put some sheets together with all different sorts of fluency activities that you can play on at home. So the first one is called Got It. Now you can use a target number that you like, but a good one to start with here is 23. So I've given you that one to start with, but as you have a go at the game, you can decide whatever you like. So have a target number, 23 to begin with. The first person chooses however many they like between 1 and 4. It needs to be a whole number. Then the next person takes a turn and they choose a number between 1 and 4, and so on and so forth. So if I went first and I chose 2, and then my partner went and they chose 3, then our total would be 5. And then the first person would go and they might choose 4, and then we'd be at 9, and then the next person might go and then they might choose 4 as well, and then we'd be at 13, and so on and so forth. The first person to get exactly to the target number is the winner. So you're adding on repeated addition, one player onto the next player onto the next player until you get to your target number. So have a go with that one. That's quite a lot of fun. I've put the link here. Yesterday it didn't seem to be on the page, did it? So I put the ICT link there. If anybody wants to go onto those maths games, it's here for you to see what it was called. The next one is on here, which is called 5 coins. So Ben has 5 coins in his pocket. How much money could he have? How much might he have? Think about the coins. I know in class we've been talking a lot about which coins there are. What coins are there in English sterling? What can you have? If he had 5, what's the most amount of money he could have if he had 5 coins? What's the least amount of money? I think the least is quite easy, isn't it? Because he could just have 5 pennies, 5p. But think about which options you could have with 5 different coins. The last little bit of today's fluency, there's a number of the day maths fluency quiz. So choose a number to put in the middle and then work out all these different things to do with it. Can you do a part whole model? Can you do a number that's less, that's number that's more? Can you write what's in the first column, tens column, hundreds column, and so on and so forth? Can you find it on a number line? All these different things to understand that number even better. The next part is a fluency quiz. So each section has got a slightly different math skill. There's number, there's counting, there's adding, there's sharing, there's all sorts of different things. And have a go at which ones you can come up with. So for example, in section 1 here, starting at 0, what number do you reach if you counted 6 steps of 3? Now you could do it in 6 steps of 3, or you could obviously do 3 steps of 6, but you would count them on. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I'm going to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I got my 6 steps of 3 and I got the answer of 18. And of course, by now our whizzy brains would have told us that we could have done 3 steps of 6, which would have given us the same. Then you've got some different problems here and so on and so forth. You've got this one, which is slightly easier, and then this one to have a go at, which is a little bit more tricky, but similar questions. I'll also put the answers up for you as well, so that you can see those. Okay, have fun with that, everybody. I can't wait till Monday morning to see you all back in the class with me. Have a lovely weekend when you get there. Bye for now.